Alright, have you ever been in a hospital or like a clinic where they had these things and you just really wanted to push it, but you didn't quite know what it would do, so maybe you left it alone? Well, let's go ahead and push it. So we'll hit the call for help, and you get the little light that lets you know that it's activated. So let me show you what happens when you push that button. First of all, outside of the room, you're gonna have a little light lighting up, so that way the nurse can actually locate the correct room. So this is room 26. Now when you come to the area where the nurse would normally sit, they have a little device here that also makes a noise and tells them it's the bathroom and it's 26. So as they're walking, they will come out down the hallway and they kind of know their room numbers are in order, and you see it blinking right there. So they know it's either this bathroom or that bathroom. And usually, I guess, the door would be closed, so you'd see light through it. One would probably be open. So come in here and then they can reset it, but you can do so as well. And there you go. So this cord, though, it does the exact same thing. It just initiates that button. And now you know.